Fortune Biology always regards people's health service as its purpose. To promote the national project to eliminate the harm of hepatitis C, promote the health of the whole people, Fortunebio and the local Health and Health Commission Department carried out the Hepatitis C virus antibody-free screening activities in local villages. We popularized the knowledge of hepatitis C prevention and treatment and the use of saliva hepatitis C kits to the villagers. Villagers at the scene can get their own screening results within 15 minutes. We explained the test results to the villagers and gave professional advice. According to villagers' feedback, it proved the great advantages of saliva testing methods over blood testing methods. Fortunebio will increase investment in scientific research and develop more innovative diagnostic products, make the greatest contribution to the health of the people,